So children, I was continuing. In my last video, I have explained you the meaning of correlation. In that, I told you that what do you mean by correlation? I said that in economics, there are several factors, there are several variables which are actually related with each other. They are related in such a way with each other that if there is a change in the value of one variable, then there is a change in the value of other variable, and that relationship between two or more variables, so that if there is a change in the value of one variable associated with the change in the value of other variable is called what? Correlation. Alright, I have given you example. I said that price and demand, higher the price, lesser the demand, lesser the price, higher the demand, right? And you can say that if the income of the individual increases, his standard of living increases. If income of the consumer decreases, his standard of living decreases, right? So standard of living and income are correlated with each other. Is it clear? And three factors I have given you the example: production, income and national income. If production increase, income of the individual increase, and if the income of the individual increase, then national income of the country increases. So three things, that is production of the economy, the income of the individuals and the national income, are actually two or more variables. It's not necessary only two variables are related to each other. Two or more variables are related to each other. If two or more variables are related to each other in such a way that if there is a change in the value of one variable, there will be a change in the value of other variable, then this kind of relationship is called correlation. Okay, now correlation, we divide types of correlation. We divide into three categories. There are three categories of the types of correlation. First, correlation on the basis of direction of change. Okay, like for example, direction means, take the example of price and demand. I said if the price of the commodity increases, demand decreases. So what are the two variables I have taken? Price and demand. And if one is increasing, other one is decreasing. So they are moving in opposite direction. Price increases, demand decreases. So what direction they are moving? They are moving in opposite direction. Then let me take another example. I said if the income of all the individuals in an economy will increase, then national income will increase. So what I have said, higher the income of the individuals in an economy, higher will be the national income. Both move in the same direction. Both are increasing. Is it clear? So first type of correlation is on the basis of direction of change in the variable. Higher, if one is increasing, other one is also increasing, moving in the same direction. If one is increasing, other one is decreasing, moving in the opposite direction. So on the basis of direction of change, correlation is of two types: positive correlation, negative correlation. Fine? Okay. This I'll give you in detail, but right now you need to know this much. Then second one, on the basis of ratio of variation in the variables. Variation in the variable. Take the example of national income and consumption expenditure. अगर आपकी national income बढ़ेगी, तो consumption भी बढ़ेगी. Okay? Now, on the basis of ratio of variation, suppose if your national income is increasing by 10%, okay, and your consumption is increasing first by 8%, then by 6%, then by 4%, then by 2%. So every time the increase in consumption expenditure, the ratio of variation of the variable is not constant. First it is increasing by 8%, then it is increasing by 6%, then it is increasing by 4%. So here, this is an example of non-linear correlation. On the basis of ratio of variations in the variable, we have two types of correlation: linear correlation and non-linear correlation. Okay, what is linear correlation? When the ratio of variations of the variables are constant, means if price increases every time by 10%, demand decreases every time by 8%. तो प्राइस बढ़ रही है, पर हर बार कितनी परसेंट से बढ़ रही है? 10% से. प्राइस के बढ़ने से आपकी डिमांड घट रही है, किस परसेंट से घट रही है? 8%। मतलब जो डिक्रीज इन डिमांड है हर बार कितने रेशियो से डिक्रीज हो रही है? 8% से। एंड it is increase in price every time the price is increasing by how much percent? 10%. So if the ratio of variation of the variables is in the same proportion, we call it linear equation. But if the ratio of variations in the variable is not constant, is in different proportion, then we call it non-linear equation. This is the second type. Third type, on the basis of number of variables. Like first one is simple correlation. What is simple correlation? When we show the relationship between only two variables, then it is called simple. Then multiple correlation. When we show the relationship between two or more variables, then it is multiple correlation. Then partial correlation. Partial means when we show the relationship between two variables keeping other factors remaining constant, then we call it what correlation? Partial correlation. So children, we have a type of correlation under three categories. On the basis of direction of change, we have two, positive and negative correlation. On the basis of ratio of variations in the variable, we have two correlation, linear and non-linear. A third one, on the basis of number of variables, we have three correlation, that is simple correlation, multiple correlation and partial correlation. Is it clear? So now I'll give you the notes. Please open your copy. First, you people have written the meaning of correlation. Now write down types of correlation. Right? Correlation is classified into three categories. Under this you write, correlation is classified into three categories. Give a dash. Write down first. Number one, on the basis of direction of change. The first category. On the basis of direction of change. Write down. Under this you write, on the basis of direction of change, correlation is of two types. On the basis of direction of change, correlation is of two types. Two types. Give a dash. Write down number one. Positive correlation. Write down positive correlation. Okay. Now, what is positive correlation? When the two variables, when the change in the value of the variables move in the same direction. Is it clear? Move in the same direction means if there is change, if there is increase in the value of other variable leads to increase in the value of other variable. On the other hand, if there is decrease in the value of other variable brings decrease in the value, one variable brings decrease in the value of other variable, means both the variable are either decreasing or both the variable are either increasing, then we can call it as positive correlation. So write down the meaning of positive correlation. Number one, first category of on the basis of direction of change. Write down number one, positive correlation, and write down the meaning. When the change in the value of, when the change in the value of the two, when the change in the value of two or more variables move in the same direction, when the change in the value of two or more variables move in the same direction, then we call it positive correlation. Then we call it positive correlation. Full stop. When there is when the change in the value of two or more variables move in the same direction, comma, then we call it a positive correlation. Full stop. Change the paragraph. We'll take example. Price और demand तो same direction में नहीं जाते हैं. Take the example of price and supply. now see, who supply? Producer. What is the main aim of the producer? To increase the profit. When the producer will able to get more profit, when the producer will able to sell the commodity in higher price. Is it clear? So, if the price of the commodity is high, supply will be high. Obviously, producer will supply when in the market. When producer will supply more commodity in the market, where the price of the commodity will be more. Why so? Because then only the producer will able to earn profit. When the producer will supply less in the market, when the producer will not able to earn the profit, when the producer will not able to earn profit, when the price is less. Is it clear? So what is the example of positive correlation? Price and supply. So write down, for example, for price positive correlation, write down example. For example, price and supply. And little elaborated. If the price of the commodity increases, comma, supply also increases, and if the price of the commodity decreases, supply also decreases. Full stop. Since price and supply move in the same direction, so it is an example of positive correlation. Full stop. This is positive. Second one, write down negative correlation. Write down negative correlation. Right. When the two or more variables move in the opposite direction, when the two or more variables move in the opposite direction, we call it negative correlation. Full stop. What is the example? Price and demand, right? For example, price and demand. And then elaborate it. If the price of the commodity increases, demand decreases. And if the price of the commodity decreases, demand increases. Full stop. So since price and demand move in the opposite direction, so we call it a negative correlation. Full stop. Is it clear? So today I have completed the first category of the types of correlation, which is called correlation on the basis of direction of change. First is positive. When the direction of change of two variables move in the same direction, we call it positive. When the change in the value of two variables move in opposite direction, we call it negative correlation. Is it clear? Tomorrow I am going to do the other two types of correlation, and then I am going to start the numericals of this chapter. For today only this much. Thank you, children.